Magali here is gonna try the cinnamon challenge.
No, I gotta get the spoon.
I think that's good enough. Okay, hold on. Brown cinnamon. Okay, you got your water ready?
Hang on.
Hold on. Okay, ready?
Scary.
Okay, ready? Go.
Hang on, I can't do it. Don't look at me. It's all a video.
You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Just do it. Now try swallow it. Swallow it. Here's the water. Go get the water. Here. Was that hard? Oh God.
Oh my gosh!
Was it gross? Oh, maybe we should do my video then. How was that experience?
It was horrible!
Say goodbye!
Bye!